We're here at the Holiday Inn here in Gainesville. We have some Schindler 3300s. Okay, reader, but that's for the rear floors. Yep. 5. Here we go. It's 2,500 for this one. Wow, nice. Go another one. It is a traction passenger. It's a nice elevator. I wanted it to stay big suites. Next door to this place has the same elevators because they were built around the same time. Nice. I do not like 3300s because they close up pretty quick. That makes sense because look at this. This is car 3. This one is. Where's the handrail on the back? Yes, we're going up. It's a nice elevator. No idea why they made this one bigger. 3,000 pounds. Go to 5. Going on 1. Yes, it is MRL. It is a pretty nice elevator. We like the cap design. FAQS buttons. Nothing too exciting. Hey, Schindler. Hello. Whoops. I hate Schindler sometimes. Now let's push the open button here. There we go. These doors are known to be rude, like a Westie. And there goes the elevator. I guess we'll end the video with the Gator, because we're in the University of Florida. So, anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.